array element. Try to use that. These are array elements. Alright, again. Individual data within the array called array element. Within the array called an array element. Now, each element is referred and accessed through what we call an index. We can access this data through index, Miggy, Rachel. Pag-iwalay nga kayo, Macy, yung kinakalikit nyo, turn it off. Data in an array through the use of index. Hala? Every word ba? Now, an index is an integer.
Wait lang. Is an integer.
Hindi. Binibining na binaldo. Hindi na ginoo. These are whole numbers. Integers are whole numbers. Again, Rachel, Mickey. Integers are whole numbers. So, an index is an integer. And we can access data or array elements through index. Now, paano nag-start ang index? Always start array or giving index to an array with 0. 0 is always the start of the array. Bigyan mo kayo nila.
Sir? Sir, wait lang.
Lakal na, lakal. Pati yung mukha nito,
Sir, matatapos na. Ano po?
Going back, an index is an integer assigned to an array element to specify its location within an array. The first element of the array